welcome to my Great Taste vlog. I'm currently walking to work and I will be taking you along. So I will be doing minute vlogs and I'll maybe doing 15 to 20 of them. And I'll take you along the way. So some of you that might be watching might be thinking, what are the Great Taste Awards? So essentially every year there's a competition for like brands to compete, and essentially there's quite a thorough testing process. You know, these awards can include things like snacks, sometimes tea, and yeah, essentially it awards companies and gives them recognition to the best food. So this can include things like coffee and tea, and there's sort of 3 stars. There's 1 star, 2 star and 3 stars. So yeah, so the plan is to leave from Plymouth at around 12, maybe 1, and then we'll get to London, and then I'll probably get to the hotel, and then tomorrow we'll put up the LED panels and start setting up the show.
So this is the view that I have from my window, and I would say that it's pretty good. There's not too much you can see. I mean, you can obviously see quite far, but there aren't any like specific buildings you can see or any, you know, iconic places. You know, I'd say it's pretty good, and it's quite nice to see sort of all the classic houses, so you sort of get to see like some of the true parts of London. Okay, so we've just had a meal in the restaurant, and it is like 9:30 p.m. I am going to bed early because I am waking up at about 4 a.m. Because our company is essentially doing the entire job for the entire day, so it will be about 23 hours, which will be fun. I have done similar shifts to this before with other companies. I was once building a stage for Take That, and we did maybe about 26 hours plus, because we did 2 different jobs. So I will see you in the morning. Okay, so we have now installed the LED screen, and they're doing some sound tests, which you might hear in the background. And this time I haven't got my normal top, so the microphone is right in front of me this time. And we can go have a look. So you should be able to see it through there. The LED screen is set up and we're doing some practicing at the moment. And behind me is like a board for sponsors. It took about 2 hours to set up. We were meant to finish it at 10:30 and we finished it at 8, so things have been going very quickly, and maybe in about an hour we'll be practicing camera operating. We have been practicing since about 12. Obviously we started at about 5 a.m. And this is the main hall. All the waitresses are getting all the tables ready. As you can see, all the tables are ready at the moment, and they do look very, very posh. Of course, this is a very formal event, and here is my setup. So I'm filming with the Sony 350, and it's quite a big broadcast camera, but luckily I'm on a tripod. I'm not doing handheld today. And over there is another one. Apologies, that is quite dark. So the awards will start in about an hour and a half, and I might do a bit of vlogging, obviously, because I'll be filming. I won't be able to do too much vlogging, but I will try my best. So the event has just finished, and it went very well, and now we're packing up. And we'll probably be here until about maybe 3 a.m. packing up, because we've got to pack down the LED screen, pack down the cameras, and pack down all this gear over here. Okay, so I'm whispering because it is 3:30 a.m. and we have just got back to the hotel. The day went very well, and we've been working, I think, exactly 23 hours because we left at 4:30 AM. Today was my first day doing camera operating, and it was really good. And this will likely be my last sort of clip for the vlog. So I'll sort of upload this and keep this for myself. But also this will be for people that are interested in the Great Taste Awards. So yeah, and apart from that, thanks very much for watching.